Hey guys, this is Hamid, your friend from itsmadeeasy.com. Hope you are doing great. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to draw this component in SolidWorks in just 3 steps. Let's start our tutorial now. Okay guys, here we have our SolidWorks 2015 and the 2D part model that we are going to draw now. And we are going to complete this part model in just 3 steps. And the first step will be the extrude of this side view that we have here to a length of 39 plus 7 plus 7, which is 53. And the second step will be the cut extrude of this portion from this mid plane towards like here in the both directions. And the third portion will be the cut portion of this section and this section all together. And yet yes, we are going to complete this part model in just 3 steps. Let's start our SolidWorks now with a new part model. And I'm starting with this right section, so I'm taking the right plane now. And for your kind information, I'm taking this point as the origin. Okay, now I'm starting now, and from here I'm starting towards a vertical. I'm going towards up 21, and towards left they have given they haven't given any dimensions, so I'm just from here I'm going towards a further upward 5 mm towards upward now. And from here to here they have given us 5 mm, and from here to here they haven't given any kind of information. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw this line from here to here 26 mm towards left, and just going to connect this point and this point. Okay, now again I'm taking this line from here towards left 26 mm and just connecting these both lines. And yes, we would be able to complete this section. And to come up with this section, they have given a 16.7 towards vertical. I'm drawing that now, 16.7, and just closing this contour. And of course this section is not necessary for us to draw this section. Now I'm just going to extrude this part. Since it's symmetrical about this plane, I'm giving the mid plane. And the total length is 39 plus 7 46 plus 7 53. Yep, we are done with the first part. And the second part will be as usual that I told. Now I will be extrude cut of this section from mid plane on the both directions. So again I'm taking the right plane now, and yep, I'm taking this section, the triangular part. This already we had drawn 16.7, and here I'm just connecting this part. And now I'm going to extrude cut this section mid plane of 39 mm. Yep, we are done with the second part as well now. And the final and the last mode part that we have is the extrude cut of this section and this section. And the critical part that we have in this 3D part model is that the dimension they have given for this square part model is not horizontal, it's inclined to this plane. So what am I going to do is I'm just going to take this plane as normal, and now I'm going to draw this contour. Like from center they have taken, from here to top they have gone around 7 mm. So I'm going towards top 7 mm, and since it is a square of side 17, I'm taking as I'm going towards one side of around 8.5, and towards top 17. I think it's not made vertical, I'm just making it vertical. And towards left 70. Yep, we are done with the square part now. And just I'm trimming off this unwanted part. I'm just exiting this sketch now. And now what am I going to do is I'm taking the vertical plane, I mean like this front plane now, and I'm going to copy this sketch in this direction. Clicking the starting the sketch and convert entities, just clicking the convert entities, it's loading. Don't forget to select this select chain, just clicking this. And now we had converted the inclined sketch to this front plane horizontal sketch now, and the rest of the sketches that we have balance is to be made is this one and this one, and I'm going to make that now. From here to here 5, and towards horizontal it's 11, so I'm just taking here towards downward it's 5, towards right, I mean the horizontal length is 11. Just closing it. Let's check. Oh, it's not 5, just making it as 5. Okay, I'll just start from the beginning. I'm just trimming it off. From here to here 5, towards horizontal 11, towards vertical again 5, and just closing this. And again the direction towards vertical 5, horizontally 11, again vertical 5, and just closing this contour. And yes, now we have these 3 close contour to start this feature cut extrude. And yes, I'm just giving this extruded cut part, and selected contours I'm just clicking this and this. Yes, we have this. And now I'm going to change the direction towards the opposite now. Yes, we are done with the whole part model that we have in here in 2D diagram. And since this sketch is visible, let's make it hide. And yes, we are done with today's part model. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please do like our video, share with your friends, and let us know your valuable suggestion in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please be updated with creative and innovative updates in coming future. Thank you.